Good morning, boys and girls. By now you should have watched the video at the box office for day one, and you should be getting ready to start your inventory sheet. The two questions that you mainly have to answer are, which movie is the most popular of the four, or which fraction is the greatest? And then it asks you to order the four movies from most to least popular, or from largest fraction to smallest fraction. What I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and open up ConnectEd's e-toolkit. As you can see, I already have it open on my screen. Okay, if you go into your e-tools, you actually have fraction circle pieces, just like we used in class. If I can, here we go. Should go down to F, fraction circles. Typed on my screen, I have the fractions for each movie. 3/4 for Triple Glory, 2/4 for A Boy's Life, 2/5 for It Could Be Worse, and 3/5 for Planet Ice. I want to look at the denominator of each to figure out how many equal pieces that fraction circle is going to represent, while still using the red circle as my whole. If you need to, you can change the size of your whole and fit more on your screen that way, okay, which I actually think I'm going to do. So here's my whole, and I need to show Triple Glory, which is 3/4. So I find my fraction circle pieces that have 4 pieces. I only need 3 of them, so I'm going to just use that. Get rid of one, and I put these 3 on top of my fraction circle, which I should be able to put them back together. Okay, so I have 3/4. 2/4. Again, I'm going to grab my fourths. I'm clicking it and hitting this T, and that separates the pieces because I only need 2 of the pieces. So automatically I'm looking at these, and I have my red circle. Is 3/4 greater or 2/4 greater? Which one covers more of the whole? And if you need to, you can move your pieces directly onto the whole to get a clearer picture. Okay. Your next step is you're going to use the fifths. So again, I find the fraction circles that have fifths. So I need one that has 2/5 and one that has 3/5. Here's 2/5. Here's 3/5. Again, when you put this all together, what covers more of the whole? You could even trace them over each other to compare the sizes. By using these fraction circle pieces, you should be able to more easily compare the fraction sizes. Good luck!